For some reason, I know I can't be the only person that feels this way, but for some reason, to me, fall always feels like it's the start of the new year. The new year doesn't really start in January for me. It starts more in September. And I think that this may be caused maybe caused by the fact that I've spent so many years in school, going to university and then going to grad school. You end up spending so many years in school that your school year kind of becomes your new reality. That's the case for me still, now that I've graduated and that I'm kind of like in a transition period. So I currently don't have a full-time job yet. I am in a transition period where I want to figure out what I truly want to do and what I truly where I want to go as an individual, personally, and also professionally. And so fall is my favorite season. It's always been my favorite season. I love the colors. I love that it gets a little bit colder. I love also the calm that it brings, because for me personally, summer tends to be a little bit chaotic and crazy because there's always so many things happening, and there's events, and there's just so many outings and things to see and things to do, and the days are much longer. And so I tend to like sway away and diverge a little bit from my routine, which I personally don't like to do, because I'm a very I'm someone who follows a routine. Just for me to be able to operate in my life, I need a routine. And so I kind of lose that routine in the summer sometimes, if I'm being honest. I don't follow my gym regimen as closely, or we end up going out to eat a lot, so you kind of diverge also from what you like to usually eat for your body and to feel good. And so when fall comes around, it's kind of like the return of my routine for me personally. And so in this video, I want to spend the week really resetting my life and getting back on track with my routine and how I like to be organized in my life. And so I really want to take it slow and take the time to be present for myself, for my body, and also for my mind. So you'll see in this video, I have planned spa dates, hikes, home cooking, and a lot of things that just make me feel good personally. We are going on a hike. So after the hike, we went directly to the spa where we got to spend the rest of the day. We had lunch there, we relaxed, we spent some time under the sun. I even got to start a new book. We also treated ourselves to a massage, which was very much needed for me. I've been feeling very tense. Then, towards the end of our day, we went to the skincare station that they offer. They give you complimentary skincare products that you can use and pretty much give yourself a facial at the spa, which was amazing. My skin felt so good after this. After that, I just went home and made a very light dinner, and we watched a movie, and I went to bed. On Saturday, I went to the library. I had a lot of stuff that I wanted to get done and pretty much get organized with my life. I spent some time journaling, reading. I discovered a new book series at the library. It's called The Brick, and they had some really great texts from all over the world and international authors. After a few hours of work, I headed back home and had dinner. We had shakshuka and tofu. I then went for a walk around the lake with my friend and I went to bed. I've been craving the same thing for a few days now, and I must satisfy this craving. Hey Siri, what's the current weather outside?
It's currently raining and 8 degrees.
I headed to Sephora just to restock on some essentials like skincare, and I also bought a new perfume. Later in the afternoon, it was very gloomy and raining, so me and my friends decided to go to the movies and we watched Beetlejuice. If I'm being honest, I was not a big fan of the movie, but it just put us in the Halloween spirit.